go to the next, like this. The next question we'll discuss. This is the question which we'll discuss. Okay.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Okay. See, if you see the diagram, it looks very complicated. Okay. Actually these type of questions you will face a lot, and when you see the first time, these type of questions seem difficult, but actually these are very easy questions. Okay, one or two line and you will get the solution. So what are the things that you need to remember? I'll tell you. Okay, so
Okay.
let me again see if Ajit has joined. Okay, okay, he will ping. Okay, so if you read the question, you are able to see the text clearly, right?
Yeah, I can see that
Okay,
clearly. Yep.
okay. So in this question, what has been asked? Okay, so this is the diagram they have given, and what is the thing that they are asking? The magnitude of the reaction force at support Q means this
Yeah.
reaction. If I use some annotations, okay.
Yeah.
See, you can see this. No? Let me use like red color. It
Yeah,
will
I
be
can see.
better. Okay. Let me. So if you can see, okay, Ajit has joined. Okay. First do. Okay, so you can see the diagram. If you can see the diagram, what is the thing that they are asking? They want to know the magnitude of reaction at support Q. Okay, so if you see, this is a roller support. Roller support will give a reaction like this. Okay, this direction. This will be like RQ, reaction at Q. Okay, and always remember, if it is a roller support, then you will not have the reaction at horizontal direction. This won't be there, only vertical. Okay, but if it's a hinge, then you will have like vertical as well as horizontal also. Both the reactions would be there. Okay, I think you are aware of this concept, hinge and roller, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so they are asking about this RQ. This is the main thing we need to find. So how they approach? Always remember, the thing is that in these kind of questions, you need to have like equilibrium of moment. Apply means equilibrium condition, and equilibrium of moment means summation m, summation moment would be equal to 0. Summation of moment about any point would be 0. So suppose, see, the thing is that we need the value of RQ. So we can't take the moment about this this. Okay, because if we take this here, RQ, you will not be able to find, because anything force passing through that point you will not be able to have that in equation. So take from another point. So we'll take from this point. Okay, moment, everything, all the moments will consider from this. So locate which are the active forces. So see, this 1200 Newton is the one force. Okay, and this RQ is another force. Okay, in these two forces are there, and you can't see any other force. So
Okay.
apply the moment equation. So moment means force into distance. Force into distance. Okay. So here, what is the force?
1200 into 5, I guess, and RQ into 4.
Right, right. You are absolutely correct. So our like, if you see the solution, okay. 1200 into distance, 5 meter. Okay. This would be like this direction is, it's going like clockwise. Okay, because moment, it's like rotating. Moment is nothing but rotating tendency. So if you see, this would be rotating clockwise.
Yeah, and the other thing is anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So both the things are equating, and they are like maintaining equilibrium. That is why summation moment is equal to 0. So that is why 1200 into 5 would be equal to RQ
RQ into 4.
into 4. Why?
Into 4.
Always remember, the thing is that which distance you need to consider. You need to consider the distance of like
Perpendicular, right?
perpendicular distance. Like this is the
Okay.
line of action of force. This is the line of action of force, and the distance which you need to consider is distance between point and line of action of force. Perpendicular distance. Always remember.
Yeah.
So perpendicular distance is this one. And what is this distance? If you see the diagram, 4.
4 meter.
Okay, so perpendicular distance between line of action of force and the point which you are considered for the moment. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see for 1200 Newton, what is the distance? This is the line of action force, and perpendicular distance from
5
that
meter.
point, 5 meters. So this is the thing only you need to remember.
Okay.
This is normal mathematics. If you solve like, I think anyone can do this normal mathematics, simple math calculation. Okay, so you'll get the value of RQ, and this is exactly what has been asked in this question.
Okay.
Okay, so in whenever you get this type of question, you will means the thing is that first it will look, you will get the feeling that question is very difficult, but always remember, most of the time you need to apply only one thing: summation moment is equal to 0, and you need to identify which point you need to take so that you will get the required force. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so we'll now